Hello, in this video I will show you how to crochet a chain, how to make chain stitches. Before making chain stitches, we have to form a slip knot. I'm forming a slip knot just like this, making a bristle. It looks like a bristle and then pulling like this. If you want to learn how to make a slip knot, please see my other video for the crochet basic. So we have the first loop that looks like this and put the hook through the loop. Now, firstly, it is important how you hold the yarn. So if you're right-handed, the hook is on your right hand. With your left hand, the yarn is wrapped around your index finger and I'm holding the main part of the yarn with my pinky finger. So the start looks like this. With these two fingers, I'm holding the part that I'm crocheting. So with my hands like this, I will start making a chain. Yarn over like this. Put the yarn on the hook like this and pull it through the loop. So you have the first chain. Now again, yarn over and pull it through the loop. It's important how you yarn over the hook the yarn. Firstly, push the yarn from you and then come back to you and then pull it through the loop. In small steps with these two fingers, go up together with a chain. Yarn over, pull it through, a bit up with these fingers with a chain. Yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through. So far I have a chain that looks like this. The first slip knot does not count as we are counting the stitches. Also the loop that is on the hook is also does not count it as the stitches. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains made. This chain, the first chain that we're making, is called the foundation chain. Most of the times, foundation chain is essential for crochet projects, as this is the start, the basic for our projects. So once again, I will show you how to make it. The hook through the loop with the left hand, the yarn around our index finger, and with the pinky finger, we are holding not to lose the yarn. Now with these two fingers I'm holding the chain. With our fingers like this, let's start. Yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through. If the crochet pattern says make 3 chains, we will do like this: 1, 2, 3. I hope this video was informative and see my other videos for the basic crochet lessons.